Hello, so today from this video and onwards I am going to start a new series in which I will be solving the questions from the book I.E. Irodov. So from this video I will first proceed to the electrodynamics portion, and then I will go to the optics portion and then the mechanics portion. Today I am going to solve the first question from the electrodynamics portion in the book I.E. Irodov. The problem states that calculate the ratio of the electrostatic to gravitational interaction forces between two electrons, two protons. At what specific value of q by m of a particle would these forces become equal in their absolute values in the case of interaction of identical particles? As we know that the electrostatic force and the gravitational force both can be calculated by two different equations, the Newton's law of gravitation and the Coulomb's law from electrostatics. These two laws are only applicable on point charges. So let's assume that two electrons behave like a point charge and they are separated by a distance r. So as we know that mass of electron, which I am going to denote by me, is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kgs. Charge on electron is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Well, there is a minus sign, and we know that the value of k, which is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught for free space or vacuum, is 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square. And we also know that the value of universal gravitational constant is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Now, if we calculate the attraction forces like Fe, which is going to denote the force for electrostatic attraction, is kq by r square, because the question states that the particles are both electrons. Now, if we calculate the gravitational force, Fg is equal to gme me by r square. If we take the ratio of Fe by Fg, it will become kqeqe by r square by gme by r square. The both r square cancel, and the equation becomes as you can see, I have not mentioned the sign here because the sign depends on the kind of forces. So as we both know that two electrons will repel each other, so that is the cause that I didn't use the sign here. Now let me calculate this one. So this comes out to be approximately 4.17 into 10 to the power 42. So the ratio between the electrostatic force and the gravitational force for two electrons is 4.17 into 10 to the power 42. So we can just do the same method for calculating the force between two protons. In that case, the mass will not be the electrons, the mass will be the protons. So the mass of proton is 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kgs. In that case, F electrostatic by F gravitational will become kqeqe by g mp. As we all know that the charge on proton and the charge on electrons are equal but in opposite signs, so I have taken the QE here. So let me calculate this. So this comes out to be 1.238 into 10 to the power 36. So now for the second part of the question, it asks that at what specific value of Q by m of a particle would these forces become equal for identical particles. So as these forces become equal, we can assume the charge of the particle be Q and the mass of the particle be m, where Q is charge of particle and m is mass of particle. If these forces are equal, then Fe is equal to Fg. In that case, where we assume that the particles are separated by a distance r. R is equal to separation between particles. So the charge per mass ratio must be these for the two forces be equal to each other. So thank